For over 25 years, BCC Distribution has delivered real-time barcoding solutions, helping organizations streamline inventory operations across warehouse, manufacturing, and field environments. As SAP's certified partner, BCCD provides mobile RF scanning, barcode labeling, and RFID automation solutions built for SAP S/4HANA. Powered by SAP Business Technology Platform, BCCD's TranSEND mobile software enables seamless online and offline functionality, supporting both indoor warehouse operations and remote field use applications. TranSEND natively supports a wide range of SAP processes, including inventory management, WM or stockroom management, extended warehouse management, and preventative maintenance, giving your team the ability to accurately track inventory and assets from the production floor throughout warehouse operations and remotely in the field. With real-time SAP validation, TranSEND helps identify and prevent errors at the moment they occur, improving accuracy across receiving, picking, shipping, and counting, and extending into field operations like proof of delivery, route accounting, and work order management. Combined with Zebra barcoding equipment, BCC delivers world-class, real-time, online/offline, error-proofing solutions that work securely within your SAP system. BCCD's QuickPrint software simplifies label printing by integrating directly with SAP, supporting both SAP private and public cloud environments, as well as SAP ECC business systems. Paired with Zebra printers and BarTender label design and printing software, BCC Distribution delivers fast, accurate, and flexible barcode label printing across your operations. Combined with Zebra's industry-leading devices, from mobile computers and scanners to printers and RFID, BCCD delivers secure, real-time solutions designed to keep your business moving. From software to hardware to full SAP integration services, BCC Distribution is your certified partner for smarter, easy-to-use, and more dynamically connected inventory operations. Contact BCCD today to learn more about TranSEND, QuickPrint, and Zebra-powered solutions for SAP.